Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make video play faster in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have created a project in CapCut and we're going to practice how we can speed up the video. So the first thing we can do is click on the video right here, or we can also click on edit button, and it's the same, and I'm just gonna click on edit button. Then since we want to make the video faster, we can click on speed option right here. Then we can change the speed and just select normal because we want to make the video play faster normally or constantly. Click on normal. Then if you want to make it faster, you just need to go right like this, and you can make it 2 times faster, 5 times faster, and even 100 times faster. And I'm just gonna select 2 times faster. Alright, and after we're done, we just need to click on this check mark button. And now the video has been faster, guys. So let's just take a look at the result. So just play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can make video play faster in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.